Make a great choice today with the 2009 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tachometer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.